back, guys. Episode 3 of the SDR Whisperer Business Golf Series. Got a very dear friend of mine, Andre Haykal Jr. here.
What's up?
Glad to have you.
Appreciate you inviting me out here, bro.
So tell everyone what you do.
So outside of being a professional golfer, I run a couple different businesses. Co-founder of Client Ascension, which Dylan is a part of as a coach. He does the sales coaching as he does with SDR Whisperer and everything else. And also co-founder at Lead Generation Knowledge X, basically a full-time golfer, but business on the side, so happy to be out here.
We have the same passion. We suck at golf, but we love it. So we are out here at the Eagles Golf Club, the Lakes. So we'll find out why it's called the Lakes. I guess you guys can kind of already tell. There's gonna be a lot of water today, so can't promise you guys any really good golf content here, but it'll at least be entertaining. It is a 9-hole and then 9-hole, so 2 separate videos. Match play. One breakfast ball off the tee.
Give me a few beers and I'll be
let's get into it, guys. Wind pushing it left to right. Oh, it bounced all the way out, bro. Oh, welcome to the Lakes, guys.
Did you see that, guys? I can't see past 300 yards.
You want to hit a breakfast there? And he smashes it into the ground.
I don't want that shit.
24 of those big trees in front of the bunker. There you go. He's out there, guys.
That's what I meant to do the first 2 times.
Got caught up. I hit way too high. That looked good. I don't know about that one.
Is that too far left into the water?
What are the chances I get through those 2 trees right here, Andre? 30%? We're gonna go for it. Nope.
Is that right?
Yeah. That looks nice. Sit. I think you're putting. The Magic Club?
The Magic. Is that the right one? Other side?
This will be the biggest challenge for Andre today. Just making sure the club's going the right way. Yeah, pause. To steal the hole. That's insane, dude.
Right with you.
Get through.
Nice job.
Whew. That sounded nice. Is that at it?
That's right at it.
Dude, that was in the air for so long.
Bro, the wind just...
What?
Bro, the wind just... I thought that was way over.
I smoked that.
I thought that was going way over.
All right, you gotta look.
I have to go for it.
Oh, you little bitch. Yep. Good? All right, 1-1. You don't want to win with a double there, but
that sucks.
Oh, you little bitch, dude. That didn't get any height on her. This is a master class. Oh, top the shit out of her. Oh, nice shot. Sit. Sit. Still going, bro. Still going.
Right on the list.
No wind. Sit. No, don't bounce off the hill.
All right.
Oh, I need to sit. Oh, shit. Sit. That's a nice little chipper. Sit. Turn. Dude, that's so much faster than the other ones. How does yours go? Mach 7. Hit the back, drop. I hit mine. Ah, that sucks, dude. Finally. Whew. Finally hit a good shot.
Oh,
I saw it. Right before the bushes. And he somehow did it. Oh, whoa. That'll work. Dude, that wanted to go up so bad. So much topspin on that. Oh no, sit. Sit, hit the bunker. Thank God. Come back.
Come back.
It's coming. Green.
No way.
That's gonna sit. That's over the back.
If that stayed on the green, that was unfair.
That's over the back. Oh, I decelerated. Just what you want for par. Fast?
Well, I thought it was gonna get stuck in the grass.
Speed, this is not your favorite putt. Get in. Get in. It's a good looking putt. That's over.
Wow. Now I'm in trouble.
Oh. All right, the boys are getting warmed up. Two fairway and regs, baby.
That was my best shot all year.
Put it on tape. Oh, get over the bunker. Get over. You have a nice up and down there.
I didn't get enough grass.
Oh, it's going right? Dude, that felt so weird. Oh.
What? Damn, bro. You really gotta do that.
Let's go. That's a par, baby. That's a par to have the hole. He sent it. Oh, the ramming it home didn't pay off this time.
I get a hole one. Everyone watching this has to join Klein Ascension. Deal? Dylan's paying forever.
All right, duff this, please, God. Well, that's a nice swing there, Mr. Andre. Right in front of the green. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Oh, that hit off the foot of your fucking putter. Good par. Putting the pressure on. Pushed it. All right, takes one back. Good putt, brother. I was really hoping you were gonna hit the Hulk putt. Oh my God, what a shot. Nice and smooth, right down the pipe. Turn the corner. Oh. Oh, sit. Oh, nice. Nice swing though. I lost it. Oh, nice. On the green?
Right side.
Dude, I didn't see that ball 1 second until it hit the ground.
Nice shot.
I lost it. Oh, nice. Sit. A little lag. Yeah, a little bit of work. Turn. All right, your putt. Oh. Nice. Par, baby. Pars in the last 3.
That's a tough one.
2 left to play on this video. I'm up 1. Well, 180 par 3. Sit. Oh, come back. That looks nice. Should be putting. All right, making me earn the up and down here. Oh, I chunked it. Oh, that's gonna be a tough one. Oh. Turn, turn, turn. All right, there's life. Fighting for bogey here, both of us.
Nice.
Ooh, he stays alive for the end of the first video here. Where'd that go?
I just took it over the trees and then somewhere in the trees.
Oh, sit. Sit. I think I went through. Dude, if you get it through that, that's going to be a lot of views on YouTube's. At least you get a drop in the open over there.
That's how you do it.
Sit. Sit. Did you get it? Right over the green. That wind, man. I mean, look at the water, dude. The wind is howling. Get in the hole. Sit. These greens are flying. That's a great chip. I just have to up and down this. Yeah, easier said than done, brother. And I fucked up. All right, still won the front. So that's the wrap on video 1 here, guys. I got one hole lead on Andre, but we started off terrible. We finished strong. Yeah, we were hitting the good ball pretty well. Let's hope sure it translates to the back 9, and we'll catch you in the next video.